How to turn off contact sharing on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off contact sharing on iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Name drop, an extension of AirDrop, is enabled by default when you download iOS 17 or purchase a new iPhone that runs iOS 17.1 or later. In order to turn off contact sharing on iPhone, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and further tap on the General option. You will then see the option for AirDrop. Tap on that and now you will see the option for bringing devices together. So, make sure the toggle button for bringing devices together is toggled off in order to turn off contact sharing, and now your device will no longer swap numbers, share phone number, and more just by holding the top of your iPhone close to another iPhone. So, this is how you can turn off contact sharing on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.